Hi, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about why emotional healing can feel so hard and why that doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong. When you start this process of tuning in, of noticing what your body is carrying, there's often this quiet hope that healing will feel calm and peaceful right away. And sometimes it does, but more often, the early part of healing just feels heavy. It can feel like you're carrying too much, like the emotions are too big or too old, or that you just don't have the energy to keep going. I want you to know this is normal. Your nervous system has spent years, maybe even decades, trying to keep you safe. It has learned patterns to protect you. Sometimes those patterns look like shutting down. Sometimes they look like staying busy all the time or keeping your guard up so you won't get hurt again. When you begin to heal, you're gently asking your body to do something new, to let go, to feel, to trust that it's safe now. And that's a big ask. Think about this. Your body's job is survival. Every second of every day, it scans the environment, asking, am I safe? So when you start to slow down and listen, your body might push back at first. It might say, wait, this is different. I don't know if I can trust this yet. Mm. This is where compassion becomes so important. Healing, it's not a straight line, and it's not a quick fix. It's a relationship, one you're building with your own body. And like any relationship, trust takes time. I remember when I first started noticing my own patterns, I thought, if I can just understand where this tension is coming from, I can make it go away. But the truth is, understanding is only one part of the process. Your nervous system needs more than insight. It needs presence. It needs consistency. It needs those small, steady signals of safety over and over until it finally starts to believe them. One of the reasons healing can feel so hard is because we're used to moving fast. We push through, we ignore our signals. We've learned to be strong by staying busy. But your body doesn't heal in speed, it heals in slowness, in quiet moments, in gentle pauses, in the simple act of saying to yourself, I see you, I hear you, you're safe. I saw this so many times in the operating room. Patients who looked calm on the outside, but whose bodies were tight with fear. I'd stand beside them, rest my hand lightly on their arm, and speak in a soft, steady voice. I didn't even have to say much, just enough to let their nervous system know that someone was there and that they weren't alone. And almost every time I'd see the same thing happen. Their shoulders would drop, their breathing would deepen, and their bodies would begin to relax. It wasn't because the fear disappeared. It was because their body finally got a signal that said, it's okay. You can rest now. That's what we're doing in this work. We're learning to send those signals to ourselves, not just once, not just when things feel easy, but over and over until the body begins to believe it. So, if you're in that place where healing feels hard, where you're just wondering if you're doing it wrong, I want to tell you this: you're not doing it wrong. You are in the part of the process where your system is learning a new way of being, and that takes time, and you can't get it wrong. Here's something simple you can try when the weight of it all feels too much. Pause, put a hand gently on your chest, take a slow, steady breath in through your nose, hold it just for a moment, and let the air out slowly, quietly, saying to yourself, I'm safe, I'm here. Do that 2 or 3 times and notice if there's a shift in your body, even if it's just a little less tension in your shoulders or a little more space in your breath. Healing isn't forcing change, it's creating moments of safety so your system can relax, even for a moment. And every one of those moments matter. The more you practice, the more your body learns it can soften without danger. And slowly, gently, what once felt impossible to feel becomes something you can hold, something you can release, something that no longer has the same power over you. This is why I tell people that emotional healing is not a race. It's not trying to get to the finish line as fast as you can. It's steady presence, gentle repetition, and learning to trust your own pace. This week, as you notice your patterns, I want you to remember this: your body wants to heal. Your nervous system wants balance. It just needs time, kindness, and consistency to get there. When you reach that place, you'll see that healing was never meant to be rushed. The gentleness you're giving yourself has been the medicine all along. And with every quiet moment of presence, you're building the safety that lets your body release and find a little more freedom. In our next video, why your nervous system holds the key to healing, we'll explore how your body's own wisdom can guide you to even deeper balance and calm. Until then, be gentle with yourself. I'll see you in the next video.